Hello there, dear viewers, welcome to our channel. Today, we will show you a collection of wooden crafts project ideas that are familiarized with everyday lifestyle. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Wooden crafts encompass a vast range of project ideas that not only showcase the beauty and versatility of wood, but also allow artisans to familiarize themselves with the material's unique properties. Understanding these properties is essential for both novice and experienced woodworkers, as it influences design decisions, tool selection, and finishing techniques. The first property to consider is the density of the wood, which affects its strength, weight, and workability. Hardwoods, such as oak, maple, and cherry, tend to be denser and more durable, making them ideal for furniture and cabinetry, while softwoods like pine, cedar, and fir are lighter and often easier to work with, making them suitable for projects like decorative items and outdoor furniture. The choice between hardwood and softwood will significantly impact the final product's aesthetic and functional qualities, guiding artisans toward projects that fit their skill levels and desired outcomes. Another important aspect of wood is its grain pattern, which varies widely among species and can be a critical factor in the visual appeal of a crafted item. The grain not only influences the appearance, but also affects the wood's behavior during the crafting process. For instance, woods with a pronounced grain, such as walnut or mahogany, can create stunning visual effects when finished, enhancing the beauty of items like tabletops or wall art. In contrast, woods with a straight grain, like maple or birch, lend themselves well to intricate designs and detailed work, such as cabinetry or finely crafted toys. Understanding how different grain patterns respond to cutting, sanding, and finishing can empower artisans to maximize the wood's natural beauty in their projects, leading to more striking and aesthetically pleasing results. Moisture content is another critical property of wood that artisans must familiarize themselves with, as it impacts the wood's stability and longevity. Wood is hygroscopic, meaning it absorbs and releases moisture based on environmental conditions. This characteristic can lead to warping, cracking, or splitting if not properly managed. Therefore, selecting seasoned or kiln-dried wood for projects is essential, as it minimizes the risk of movement after crafting. Additionally, artisans should be aware of the specific moisture requirements of their intended projects, especially for items expected to endure varying humidity levels, such as outdoor furniture or kitchen utensils. By understanding moisture content and its effects, artisans can choose appropriate woods and techniques to ensure their creations remain stable and beautiful over time. The workability of wood, which includes its ability to be cut, shaped, and finished, is another vital property that influences project ideas. Some woods are easier to work with than others, often due to their hardness, grain structure, and natural oils. For example, softer woods like pine can be easily carved and shaped, making them ideal for beginners looking to create simple items such as picture frames or small decorative pieces. On the other hand, denser woods like oak require sharper tools and more effort, but yield durable and long-lasting products, such as furniture that can withstand daily use. Artisans must consider their skill level and the tools at their disposal when selecting wood for a project, as workability can significantly affect the crafting experience and the final quality of the item. Dear viewers, are you enjoying our today's content? We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on a daily basis. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. The color of wood is an essential property that can dramatically influence the overall look of a project. Wood can range from light shades, such as birch and poplar, to deep, rich hues like mahogany and walnut. The choice of wood color affects not only the aesthetic of the final product, but also how it fits within the overall design of a space. For instance, a light-colored wooden coffee table can create an airy and open feel in a room, while a dark-stained piece can add warmth and sophistication. Additionally, wood can be stained or finished in various ways to enhance its natural color or alter its appearance entirely. Understanding how different woods react to stains and finishes allows artisans to customize their projects further, ensuring that each creation aligns with their vision and complements the intended environment. Durability and resistance to wear and tear are crucial properties to consider, especially for functional items like furniture and kitchenware. Some woods, such as teak and mahogany, are known for their natural resistance to moisture and pests, making them excellent choices for outdoor furniture or items that will be exposed to humidity. Understanding these properties can help artisans choose the right materials for specific applications, ensuring that their creations not only look good, but also stand the test of time. This knowledge is particularly valuable for artisans who wish to create heirloom-quality pieces that can be passed down through generations, as selecting the right wood can enhance the longevity and functionality of the crafted item. In addition to these physical properties, the ethical sourcing of wood plays an increasingly important role in the modern crafting landscape. Artisans are becoming more aware of the environmental impact of their material choices, leading to a greater preference for sustainably sourced and reclaimed wood. Projects that utilize reclaimed wood not only offer a unique aesthetic with rich histories, but also contribute to sustainability by reducing waste and minimizing the demand for new timber. Familiarizing oneself with the properties of reclaimed wood, such as its potential for irregularities and varied moisture content, can lead to exciting and creative project ideas that celebrate the character of the material while promoting responsible crafting practices. Moreover, the cultural significance of wood in various crafting traditions can inspire artisans to explore different project ideas that honor these histories. For example, traditional woodworking techniques from different cultures can provide insights into unique joinery methods, carving styles, and finishing techniques that can enrich an artisan's skill set. By familiarizing themselves with the cultural context of woodcraft, artisans can create pieces that not only showcase their craftsmanship, but also pay homage to the rich heritage of woodworking. The versatility of wood as a material allows for a wide array of crafting projects, from intricate carvings and detailed furniture to simple household items and outdoor structures. Understanding the properties of wood can inspire artisans to experiment with different forms and functions, pushing the boundaries of their creativity. For instance, a single type of wood can be transformed into a beautifully carved sculpture, a functional cutting board, or a sophisticated piece of furniture, depending on the artisan's vision and skill level. This adaptability highlights the importance of familiarizing oneself with wood's properties, as it opens up a world of possibilities for crafting projects that are both aesthetically pleasing and functional. Wooden crafts project ideas provide a rich avenue for artisans to explore and familiarize themselves with the myriad properties of wood. Understanding the density, grain patterns, moisture content, workability, color, durability, and ethical sourcing of wood can significantly enhance the crafting experience, enabling artisans to make informed decisions that lead to beautiful and functional creations. The ability to appreciate and manipulate these properties allows for a diverse range of projects, each telling its own story and reflecting the unique relationship between the maker and the material. As artisans delve deeper into the world of woodcraft, they not only hone their skills, but also develop a profound connection to the material, celebrating its beauty and versatility through their creative endeavors. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked for wooden coffee table craft projects for home styling and selling. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.